integer n, return an array with return an array ands of length n plus 1 such that each I um, of ants is the number of ones in the binary representation of I. I'm using Python. I'm going to make good use of it. Let's see. Is there anything that we can take away from them being... I think that when it's an even number... No. Eh. I know that this is not what it's about, but I'm using Python. I'm gonna make use of Python. Ants equals 0 times n plus 1. Okay. For I in range ands, or length of ands, we're going to say ands I equals binary of I count. Is that a thing? Yeah, you could just do count. Yeah. Binary a count 1. Does that work? I know that's not what it's asking, but I don't care.